Here we are with an unboxing of the ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aids. Now here you can see here's a box just here. Now very nice packaging. A bit more about some of the features on the back there, which we'll go into shortly. And a bit more about the hearing aids as well. A bit warning as well about younger than 18 not to use this and when you need to see a doctor. Let's go take a look at the actual hearing aids. So we pop that out just there. It comes in like kind of like a nice gift package box, which I think looks really nice. And there's the banging, which looks really nice. And there's a card there just to give you a bit of an idea about what to do with the hearing aids and when they can work. So I'll put that to the side as well. Now there are the hearing aids just there. Now doesn't that look absolutely beautiful just there? They're the packages. Now that's the size of it compared to my hands, which you can see. We pop it out and there are the hearing aids in the box just there. Now, don't they look really nice? Now as you can see, first up you can see the battery level on the top there as well, where they're being charged. You could see there as well, USB-C charging on the back there. Now they feel very good quality, which you'd expect from hearing aids. Now go and pop it up. Now they have up to 160 hours in battery life as well. So in the hearing aid themselves, there's 20 hours battery life there. And with the case, you get the 160 hours as well. And they charge very quickly as well. So you can pop them in when you're not using them and they get controlling. Now there's the hearing aids there. As you can see, look how nice and small they are compared to my hand. So we're going to go through a bit about the features at the moment, how to switch them on, how to put them in your ears. But that's where they are just there before we do that. And that's where they fit into the ear. Now they do have different ear tips, which we'll talk about shortly too. But look how nice and light they are. Now again, these are over-the-counter hearing aids as well. So basically you can plug and play them and use them themselves. The button there changes them. So you've got 4 different modes, which you can change by pressing the button. They've got a very lightweight design as well. So the auto on and off works when you put them in your ears, take them out, and it can barely see that you've got them on, which we'll show you when I try them on in a minute. So I'm just going to pop them back into the case just for a moment. Now we're going to make sure we get them the right way round. So you've got the charging cable goes there, like that, see? Pops in. Actually, I might just take the sticker off quickly too. Important when we're using them. Like that, take the sticker off, and then pop the hearing aids back in the case. So that side, and that's. Let's take a bit more of a look at what also comes in the case. So going back to the case, open it up. So you've got the quick start guide as well. So a bit more about the instructions, how to use it, and how to pick the appropriate ear domes, which I think is very important. We'll look at shortly. The user manual as well. This goes a bit more details about what actually comes with the hearing aids, how they work, how to use them as well. We'll go through some of the key features in this review. And here we've got the different ear domes. Now, we've referred to this a couple of times, the ear domes. The ear domes are basically what sits in your ears. So if we go and open this up, I'll show you guys exactly what I mean by that. So ear domes are basically the ear tips in your ears. So have a look, because all different ear tips are different, aren't they? So you've got that type, for example. So we'll show you in a minute how that works, but you want to make sure they're comfortable when they sit in your ears. You've got the multifunction tools as well. So this is the tools you actually use, I believe, to change earbuds. So see just there. So you got the so you've got like an ear picker, like a picker there to use it, and you've also got the different tips to change in your ears. And here we've got the USB-C charging cable as well, which you can use to charge it. So just grip that. So very nice presentation, easy to set up, which is good. I also love how they've given us a bag here as well. So we've actually got an ELEHEAR bag, which we can use to actually put the case in. I think that was a really nice touch, guys. Thank you. So there are the earbuds themselves.